Welcome to San Fernando City in La Union, and welcome to Ancho on Foot's walking tour. This is a self-paced walking tour that features key heritage sites and cultural highlights in the area. We hope you enjoy this tour as much as we enjoyed curating it. The pre-colonial history of San Fernando in La Union is deeply rooted in the cultural heritage of the indigenous peoples who have inhabited the region for centuries. San Fernando was previously part of the southern coastal towns of La Union, collectively known as Agoo in pre-colonial times. It served as one of the early settlements for the Samtoy or the Ilocanos. Samtoy is a shortened form derived from the Ilocana expression Saumiditoy, which translates to our language here, and the term Ilocano finds its roots in I signifying from, and Look denoting cove or bay, consequently translating to people of the bay. Pre-colonial Ilocanos primarily engaged in agriculture, fishing, and pottery. Communities engaged in the cultivation of crops such as rice, tobacco, onions, corn, root crops, and various fruits. Trade networks existed, allowing for the exchange of goods and cultural practices with neighboring communities. According to the anthropologist William Henry Scott, the northern section of La Union was a notable trading hub, renowned for the exchange of Igorot gold and gold mines. This involved merchants, often Chinese, Japanese, Igorot, and Tagalog origins during the early settlement era. Goods such as rice, cotton, gold, wax, iron, glass beads, silk or abel, honey, ceramics, and stoneware jars known as burnay were actively traded during this period. Subsequently, Japanese traders and fisherfolk arrived in the Philippines, establishing a settlement in La Union. The coastal shape of La Union during that period provided a favorable harbor for foreign vessels entering Lingayen Gulf. The social structure of pre-colonial societies in La Union involved extended families or clans. Leadership roles were often held by respected individuals or elders within the community. Animistic beliefs and worship of ancestral spirits were integral to the spiritual practices of pre-colonial Ilocanos. Rituals and ceremonies were conducted to seek protection, good harvest, and communal well-being. The transmission of cultural knowledge, history, and traditions were primarily oral. Elders played a crucial role in passing down stories, myths, and the collective wisdom of the community. The arrival of Spanish colonizers in the 16th century marked a significant turning point in the history of San Fernando. The influences of colonial rule, changes in governance, and the introduction of Christianity have shaped the modern cultural landscape of the area. In June 1572, Juan de Salcedo's exploration of the area resulted in a skirmish with 3 Japanese ships, revealing a settlement occupied by Japanese and Chinese merchants. Consequently, Agoo earned the moniker El Puerto de Japón, meaning Japanese port. Agoo played a pivotal role in trade with neighboring Southeast Asian countries but declined when the Spanish closed the Philippines to foreign trade. On October 29, 1849, Governor-General Narciso Zaldúa Claveria initiated the uniting of 8 northern towns of Pangasinan, 3 southern towns of Ilocos Sur, and 8 western settlements of Benguet into the province of La Union. On March 2, 1850, Governor-General Antonio Maria Blanco signed the Superior Directo of La Union, designating San Fernando as the capital. Queen Isabella II of Spain formally approved La Union's creation as a province through a royal decree on April 18, 1854. During the Philippine Revolution from 1896 to 1898, Filipino revolutionaries led by Manuel Tino y Bundok and Mauro Ortiz attacked the Spanish garrison in San Fernando. Subsequently, the United States gained control after the Spanish-American War. During World War II, the last battle in San Fernando occurred during the Japanese occupation of Barangay Baksil, leading to liberation in 1945 and the establishment of the United States Army Base, Base M at Poro Point. The Baksil Ridge Monument commemorates this victory, securing San Fernando's historical legacy. Today, San Fernando continues to be a popular destination for surfing and beach enthusiasts, attracting local and foreign travelers due to its consistently mild waves that perfect for beginner surfers. La Union combines natural beauty and cultural heritage, making it a well-rounded destination for both locals and tourists.